Hello friends, my name is Hamid Wafa. Today I'm working on this Electrolux fridge. As you can see, I got error code of SYEF, which is communication problem between the display board and the cooling fan inside the freezer compartment, which is there. And I already got the part because I've replaced a lot of these parts in the past for these problems. To do this repair, you need a flat screwdriver or you need a knife. Make sure you don't get any scratches. You don't have to turn off the unit to do this. You can do this easily. Just grab a knife, peel it off. The display comes out and you can see there's a small tab in there at the back. You press that, pull the control board out that's in your hand, and I got the new one. And to install the new one, you're gonna plug this back in, and this goes back again. Here, the display is replaced and SYEF is gone. The fridge feels warm here, but within 6 hours the fridge is gonna hit the perfect temperature and it's fixed. That part was garbage, and that's around $200. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.